How to download free ebooks from Google Books legally. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can download free ebooks from Google Books legal way. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the free ebooks from Google Books legally, first of all, open up a browser and type in books.google.com. Just type in that. You can see it. Just type books.google.com and here this page appears on your screen. After it appears, you just need to type in the books that you want to download. So I'm just going to type in market for now and tap on search. And here you can see any view. You may change the any view into full view and all. You may just change it according to preference, and any document into any of them, and any time into your choice. So after that, you may just tap on the book that you want to download. I'm just gonna tap on this book, and here you will be able to see this download PDF option very easily. So in order to download that free book, you just need to simply tap on download PDF and select the folder that you want it to be downloaded. And just like that, you can download free ebooks from Google Books legally. So therefore, by following those steps, you can download ebooks from Google Books. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.